Do you feel nervous when someone asks you a simple question in English? Like, what do you do?
And suddenly your mind goes blank? Don't worry, you are not alone.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Chatify English, the place to practice jobs in English, work vocabulary, and English for work in a simple, friendly way.
I'm Arabella.
And I'm Arthur. If you want to speak English more confidently in daily life and at work, you're in the right place.
Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Chatify English, and support the channel. It really helps us.
So, Arabella, how's your week going?
It's going pretty well. I've been a little busy with work, but I'm happy.
Busy but happy. That sounds like real life. What kind of work are you doing these days?
I'm teaching English online. I talk to many students every day.
Nice. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, I do. I like meeting people from different countries. What about you, Arthur?
Well, I work on videos for Chatify English. Sometimes I drink too much coffee.
Same here. Coffee is part of the job, right?
So today, we're talking about something very important for beginners.
Yes, English speaking practice at an elementary level, especially talking about jobs and work.
These are questions people ask all the time, at work, at school, or when meeting new people.
And we'll practice together, step by step, in easy English.
Let's start with a very common question.
What do you do?
This question means, what is your job?
You can also say, what do you do for a living?
Or even more simply, what's your job?
For example, what do you do, Arthur?
I can answer, I'm a video creator, or I work on YouTube videos.
Pause and think. How would you answer? What do you do?
Now, let's talk about how to describe your job.
You can start with, I'm a, or I work as a,
For example, I'm a teacher. I work as a teacher.
or you can say, I work in an office. I work in a hospital. I work in a shop.
Arabella, how would you describe your job?
I'm an English teacher. I work online, and I help students speak better English.
Nice and simple.
Now let's talk about responsibilities. That means what you do at work.
A very useful phrase is, at work, I...
For example, at work, I answer emails. At work, I talk to customers.
Or, I help people. I make reports. I teach students.
Arthur, what do you do at work?
At work, I write scripts, record videos, and edit content.
Sounds busy.
Let's talk about different types of jobs.
Some common jobs are teacher, student, office worker, doctor, nurse, driver, shop assistant.
You don't need difficult words. Simple English is perfect.
For example, I'm a student. I work in a shop. I'm a driver.
Try to say your job out loud. Even if you're not sure, it's okay.
Now let's talk about work schedules. When you work.
You can say, I work full-time. I work part-time.
Or, I work in the morning. I work at night.
Arabella, what's your schedule like?
I work in the morning and afternoon. Sometimes I work in the evening too.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes, yes. How about you?
I usually work Monday to Friday.
At work, we usually have colleagues.
Colleagues are the people you work with.
You can say, my colleagues are friendly. I like my colleagues.
And then there's your boss or manager.
For example, my boss is very kind. My manager helps me a lot.
Arabella, do you like your colleagues?
Yes, I do. They're very supportive.
Now, let's keep this part simple.
You can say, I get paid monthly, or my salary is okay.
You don't need to share numbers.
You can also talk about benefits, like, I get holidays. I have health insurance.
Simple and polite English works best.
Every job has good parts and difficult parts.
You can say, I like my job because it's interesting.
Or, my job is difficult, but I learn a lot.
Arabella, what do you like about your job?
I like helping people and seeing students improve.
That's great.
Now let's talk about dream jobs.
You can ask, what's your dream job?
Or say, my dream job is to be a...
For example, my dream job is to be a teacher. My dream job is to work abroad.
Pause and think. What's your dream job?
Work-life balance means time for work and time for life.
You can say, I want more free time. I like my work-life balance.
Or, I work a lot, but I rest on weekends.
That's very natural English.
Now, let's practice small talk.
You can ask, how's work going?
Or, are you busy at work?
Simple answers are okay. It's busy. It's going well. It's a little stressful.
Small talk helps you sound friendly and confident.
Arthur, let's do a quick role play.
Okay,
Hi, what do you do?
I work as a video creator. How about you?
I'm a teacher. I work online.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's interesting, but sometimes busy.
Great job.
Let's review some key words. Job, noun. What you do for work. Example, I like my job. Work, verb/noun. The activity you do. Example, I work in an office. Colleague, noun. A person you work with. Example, my colleagues are friendly. Boss, noun. The person in charge. Example, my boss is helpful. Schedule, noun. Your work time. Example, my schedule is busy. Salary, noun. The money you earn. Example, my salary is okay.
Now it's your turn.
Answer this in the comments. What do you do? And do you like your job?
Try to use today's English.
Remember, speaking English takes practice.
You don't need perfect English, just clear and confident English.
Practice a little every day and you will improve.
Thanks for watching Chatify English.
See you in the next video. Bye!
Bye, everyone.